Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn with Shumela. My name is Sarah and today I am going to tell you about my daily routine. Let's start from the morning. Morning routine. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I do is stretch a little in my bed and thank God for the new day. Then I get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes I take a quick shower. After that, I get dressed for the day. I usually wear simple and comfortable clothes. Next, I go to the kitchen and make my breakfast. My breakfast is very simple. I usually eat bread with butter and drink a cup of tea. Sometimes, when I have more time, I make eggs or fruit juice. After breakfast, I check my phone for messages and news. At around 8:30, I get ready to leave my home. I take my bag, wear my shoes, and go to work. Daytime routine. I work in an office. My work starts at 9 o'clock. When I reach the office, I first greet my colleagues and sit at my desk. Every day I check my emails, answer phone calls, and attend meetings. I also prepare reports and talk to my team about our projects. At 1 o'clock, I have lunch. Sometimes I eat lunch with my colleagues in the office cafeteria, and sometimes I bring food from home. We talk, laugh, and share our meals. After lunch, I continue my work. I usually feel a little sleepy in the afternoon, but I drink water or tea to stay fresh. At 5 o'clock, my workday ends and I leave the office. Evening routine. After work, I usually go home, but sometimes I stop by the market to buy fruits and vegetables. When I reach home, I rest for a few minutes. I sit on the sofa, relax, and sometimes scroll on my phone. In the evening, I like to cook dinner. Cooking is one of my favorite activities. I usually cook rice, chicken, or vegetables. Sometimes I try new recipes that I find on the internet. After cooking, I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day, laugh, and enjoy the meal together. Night routine. After dinner, I spend some free time doing different activities. Sometimes I watch TV or a movie. Sometimes I read a book or listen to music. If I feel